Welcome by the Politricks Watch. This is therapy. Today I talk about Mavado's son being released on appeal in Buster case. Inbox full. People still look at YouTube and watch all kind of content that talk about this and talk about that. But I want to hear what you are say. Because we hear too much simple talk from simple minds. Inbox full up. And because me talk about it when time you get convicted, so you know what? It's only right me talk about it now that's him get released on appeal. Say all Mavado right, big speech. Me go show you how them start rig the game before the game even start. Me start to see a pattern. When time things really spooky, and you realize say alright, you go down right now, but you go bust this on appeal. How you bust it on appeal, you set certain things in motion from them time there. From the early days. Things where you responsible for, and then you turn and make it sound like say a somebody do it, like you don't know what one, you don't know what happened. We talk about this little YouTuber style now. See my father put out big statement. I talk about, because it's one of the main things people like me and say, you see it? Two of them a fight against the youth, them give him a judge only. How somebody figure a court and only get judge only? You mean like enough other people, including Black Man and the Klansman gang? Not only is a judge only trial not anything, right, where needs to be a setup, cause see I try set up the man, that's why they get rid of the jury, cause the jury they go help him, so then get rid of the jury and only get the judge. You see me I say, dog, I'm talking about people whose IQ has to be lower than the mongrel that walk on the road. And people that link me like say, being a quarter sentence man. You see it? You see it? Because they take on the jury, because they want the judge to sing the man, because the judge got some man link with this. See me I say, dog, yeah man, see my fight against the youth, because they hear saying by this. Guy, judge only trial in Jamaica is nothing out of the norm. Black Man and the Klansman gang had judge only trial. Not only is a judge only trial not out of the norm, but Mavado's team, Mavado's son's defense team requested a judge only trial. This is why you come here, to get the real reasoning. After you float around and listen to all that nonsense, eventually you reach right here so. Cause you know say yes, you will get what I want. Big up the YouTuber them, big up the blogger them, who we link with. They know themselves. But let's be honest, none of them low IQ dopey battery up on the internet should be grateful that social media exists, because if it wasn't for social media, right, who knows what they be doing with their level of intelligence. Guy, Mavado's team, Mavado's son team requested a judge only trial. Nobody deprived that boy of no jury. They requested. Peter Champagne was the lawyer them time there. Them request a judge only trial. Oh, them a try set up the youth, because see them only give one judge. Just one little judge. Where was the jury? See them a try set him up, the injustice, and them request it. Just like with Suchman case, defense team do things, make things go on, knowing say down the road then can turn back around and ball and say, see it, you see it, you see it. And they look dopey about the fans them and go say, yeah dog, a real thing. It's right there on your screen, don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. I'm just a little bad man blogger boy. Peter Champagne, QC, said, this is back when time things that get close to trial. The decision was arrived at having taken into consideration a number of factors. Our client is confident that when all the evidence is heard, he'll be vindicated. See there, the defense team for Dantay Brooks, the teenage son of dancehall DJ Mavado, has opted to have a trial by judge alone, as opposed to judge and jury. These are facts. Mavado, a owner pick judge only because only knows along the road only can use it to spin the narrative. So see it? Them try set him up because then get rid of the jury. Because you, Mavado, like no for your DJ friend them, know say most of the fans them are sheep and they have no sense. And even though this is public knowledge, when you repeat a falsehood like this, and then you twist it to make it sound like say somebody deprived that boy of a jury so he could get justice, them a go buy into it. Mavado's son and them defense team chose to have a judge-only trial. Nobody never take away no jury from Dantay Brooks. If he lost his jury back then, and in the one jury, you would have never hear the end of it. Do you remember any time period there was any big war? So, oh my God, I want the jury and them take it from me. God, they're gonna set me up. You people are slow and simple. There's a reason why any Chinese man from the darkest part of China, any Saxon guy from the darkest part of Europe can drop into your backyard and look like a genius. Because you people refuse to exercise basic critical thinking. If Mavado's son was the pride of a jury, and him did one jury, you would have never hear the end of it, guy, from trial days. That wouldn't be a thing now. Slow and simple. This is what you tune in for. So that's the first narrative killed. Nobody never take on a jury from the youth to set him up. They requested a judge only. Just like in a Suchman case, them could have point out and make big nice about things right there so, but they didn't because them know said down the road, them are going to use that and twist it to them own narrative. See, he was denied a fair trial. Even though them deny themselves a fair trial. Has to be studied. The youth that died, them call him Israel Lorenzo. It's now public knowledge, and like so you're out none. It's all in the media. It's public knowledge that Theme father was the main witness. Understand this, guy. Things did well spooky. Ask people from Cassava Peace or anybody who know Mavado and son them time. Things was well spooky. Man a send threat, man a look for man all kind of something. Man this man a go rally back all kind of something. The youth father was the main witness. Israel's father. First thing them go for alibi, which is the easiest thing you can get. Anybody can get smart if you say no man he couldn't do it, can be the side of me. Guy, the reality is, it was a portion of man running upon Israel. Dante and the youth named Hines were the two who get convicted, but a portion of man running upon Israel. Mavado's son, Dantay Brooks, did not kill Israel with his own two hands. Let me say that one more time. Mavado's son, Dante, did not kill Israel with his own two hands. Did not try to chop off him head. Did not fire a shot upon him. The boy was playing the role of director. When the man them running upon Israel, one set of man draw the father gone in one room and the next set of Israel. They were not strangers to each other. A matter of fact, the father knew Mavado's son long time. Mavado's son know Israel. This is where things get spooky. Guess what? Remember me telling you sir, only two men get convicted because then carry man go there to deal with the case. But him know Dante well enough he can tell him voice from 100 miles out. Well enough he can spot him if him walk down the road back way. Him know Hines well. Guess what, guy? In a court, that might just not hold up. One of the biggest thing was the voice identification. You know that guy already. Defense team are gonna say man sound like man. And even though you're a man a war and your man voice 100 times before, that must mean to this and that must mean to that. The rest of man them who did get where, them now start intimidate witness, send threat to witness family, hey boy, any of you call name this Saga happen. Yo, remember you said this about the station, you better make sure you say this. All kind of pressure start reach witness. And let's just say, This witness is not built like C4 them, because this witness. So alright, maybe me never see so and so. Alright, well, maybe me never see so and so. Understandably, he's a father who lose his son. Still I worry about him own security. Not even him own security, but him security him. Rest of family them live about the place. Cause man say any call man name, them relatives are go dead. Or anyone take back the facts, he said this and this are go dead. Witness start buck shuffle. Guess what? Worked perfectly in the hands of the defense. Once you turn witness guy and start his statement, if you go back and start say, well, alright, maybe I this, alright, maybe I that, maybe this and that. Down the road, that one near me a supper in a court, guy. And that's what happened. When you hear them mention say about hearsay and word of mouth and all them things there, you know what they were talking about? The defense team? They were talking about the fact that the whole of the community could tell them say Dantay Brooks them responsible for harm to Israel. But the whole of the community never got testify in a court. Let me say that one more time. Remember, say them never use no Sharingan and Kamui go to Israel yard. You know? People spend time man at the gate. People spend time man go in. People spend time man run out. Everybody see what go down, guy. People you even tell him things where him can't see because him there inside. Man see when they come outside. Man see when they run go away there. When he go mention all them things, they know, guy. You couldn't see that while being there, so. Him son there, them a try to get justice to him son. But at the same time, guy, in a court of law, when you get a statement and say, you know, say, room course go so man go on there, so. But then you go back and say, well, alright, cheese tricks, it won't go on there, so. But you were inside, so you know the cheese tricks are on there, so. So this is how courthouse funny, guy. If you're in our house, and someone join in our room, and then someone kill your son, and time the man might get way, other people still in time the man might get way, and come tell you, say, yo, you know, say, our cheese tricks run cross, go over there, so. If you go mention the cheese tricks run cross, go over there, so, while you in the house in our room, defense team just bingo. Because they're going to say, well, oh, you know that? No somebody ever tell you that? Because you can't the two place one time. So that means a hearsay. And in a courthouse, that I get dashed out. So this is a great example of it's not what you know, but what you can legally prove in a court. It's not what you know. It's just like in our ends, you know, so sci-fi the killer you there. Everybody knows how sci-fi the killer you there. But in a courthouse, if the people who see when sci-fi kill him don't go to court, that I get dashed out, guy. Mavado son did not kill Israel himself. He didn't. I tell him and what to do. Matter of fact, he was relaying messages. Has to be studied. And let me just say this. Publicly, my father go on like say my father of the year. I understand say my DJ and him schedule go hectic and all that. But guy, anybody from Cassava Peace can tell you. Say that the boy, the Dante, did I live like him fatherless. Because I tell him all the time, say, money cannot satisfy certain urges in a youth. That boy, despite having access to mansion in the hills, still rather go sit down on the corner, cassava piece and screw up his face. That's a fact. Everybody from cassava piece, them time they and now can tell you say, Dantay Brooks confuse them because them would have swear say he would be happy for the uptown in a mansion on the hillside, but instead him run up on corner with youth a chop badness. Dantay Brooks a look for attention from him father all long and him finally get it. Mavado write long speech. Don't take my word for it. Ask the people them who know Dantay Brooks best. Ask the people them who sit down side him on the corner how confused they were. You see this youth will get where, will escape the garrison, escape the ghetto. Uptown, mansion, still no one sit down in there. Right up on the corner, screw up face and a bun, be a big spliff. Spliff head bigger than female one. You don't believe me? Even in court, Even in court, listen to this statement. When time them up, tell the judge, say, Your Honor, nobody sentence him too long. And them start the reasons. Dantay Brooks' own lawyer, because I was saying some blagger boy now, just bad mind me my thing or work off right now, because me say Dantay Brooks get the Lamborghini, so bad mind me. But in court, Dantay Brooks' own lawyer, Peter Champagne, he said, right, in his plea and mitigation address, he urged the judge to consider, among other things, the fact that Brooks had no previous convictions. So he was before the courts and he was out on bail before him get that murder charge. Dantay Brooks was already known. He was before the courts before him get that murder charge. That boy was running wild. To even pretend like, say, sitting in his father's house just chilling and the police just come for him, call him. Dantay Brooks was before the courts before him get this charge. The boy was running wild. He was playing pseudo Don, pseudo juvenile Don. It has to be studied. Peter Champagne said, again, he had no previous convictions. Of course, he was going to say he was before the courts. And that based on the social inquiry report, he was the product of failed parenting. Well, I'm here to talk to the Jamaicans who have sense, people who can see past the nonsense of see just too much fight against Mavado. So then go some boom and lock him up through the message. I said, dog, guy, Dantay Brooks' own lawyer say, when them do the social inquiry report, do you know what that is? Them will do a social inquiry report on you. Do you know what conclusion them take from the social inquiry report? Dantay Brooks was a product of failed parenting. So when you see Mavado on the internet play Father of the Year, Dantay Brooks' own lawyer say the social inquiry report came back. Dantay Brooks' own lawyer, not me, not the prosecution. Dantay Brooks' own lawyer said the social inquiry report said he was the product of failed parenting, living between two residences with no real supervision. No real supervision. All of a sudden, Mavado is on the internet playing Father of the Year. Ask Cassava Peace people about him. People I wonder where Mavado there. How Dante up on corner with so much manner. Where Mavado there? Where Mavado there, guy? Whole heap of artists have pitney. And whole heap of artists still raise them family and raise them youth. Being a DJ is no excuse, guy. Because you can have bagger man up and down back on you. And you can have bagger man under on the arms on you see them every movement. If them urinate on the know. The man them in the entourage, if the man them urinate, right, the DJ know. Them know everything. They know the man they eat, they know everything. But him own a boy up on corner unsupervised. These are not my words, guy. Dantay Brooks step on corner play bad man. That was a little boy them time there. They on corner push badness. All that send messages and a carry message. I know Mavado want play Father of the Year. But pre this guy, Mavado rich, him have money. And when they have enough money, you can buy enough lawyer and them can dig through enough cases and can find enough loopholes. The things go your way. This are the social inquiry report, guy. That boy was the product of failed parenting. Not my words, guy. The boy was a product of failed parenting. Every time you see Dantay Brooks, that boy look like him ready to go World War III. How can I look a youth? How can I look a youth who go so much big school, top prep school, top high school, have all the money he can get? How much money, how much clothes? Him can in a mansion, him can get all the PlayStation 7 and it don't make yet. Dantay Brooks could have get the PlayStation 7 and it don't make yet. Simpleton guy. One time I tell him to say it's not money. Make youths take up badness. It's not money. Why youths go on certain path? Mavado have money. Dantay Brooks had money. It wasn't lack of money. Ask Cassava Peace people in both in the man. Don't ask me. I'm still like a bad man, black boy. Everybody was stunned. What is Dantay Brooks doing on corner with man? Over the night. Where Dantay Brooks up on corner with man, a profile a certain way. He's supposed to be aiming for the stars. Instead, he's aiming for the gutter. He want to be like Sci-Fi and JJ Nakis. He wants to be like what him daddy sing about. Where them I do, where them I try. That's what my daddy talk about every day, so it can't be that bad. Or you must look on your son and tell your son, steer away from badness. When you build your name of propagating badness, how can you tell your son stay away from badness when you built your name of propagating badness? That boy must be confused. If it's so bad, why you endorse and glorify it every day? It can't be that bad. Are we are trying to deprive me of fun? These are not my words, guy. Failed parenting. I only alone Mavado can impress with big long article on internet. I go on like say he was there and he was woman Dante. Guy. That the boy up on corner tough up face. It had to be studied. Let's talk about some other facts such as Dantay Brooks. The idea that the system do want to get rid of Dantay Brooks. Dantay Brooks benefited from a discount of 12 years after him sentence because I'm age. These are facts. 22 years before parole is not standard procedure in Jamaica, guy. Jamaica 30 odd years before parole. 32 and 33 and them number there. Dantay Brooks received 12 years of him sentence because I'm age. The same judge, with them now start that judge following the witness ID process are the reason why now get turned over. That same judge only said he want sing Dantay Brooks. Take off 12 years after Dantay Brooks time. 12 years. Me don't know which system I try to sink, man. And get rid of man and fight against man and take off 12 years of a time. The facts are, Mavado did a reverse Patrick Powell. Cause we don't want no strength from the DJ. We don't want no ratings from the DJ guy, the blogger guy, and the radio guy, no guy. Cause people tell me say, yo, that's why the whole of the industry no rate you. Whole of the industry. Telling me say the industry no rate me. It's like telling me say Kelly Rowland thinks I'm handsome. That's a compliment, dopey butt. That's a compliment. We don't want the acidic DJ dopey butt guy but my rate. Rate what? Think this is a movie? PG-13 and PG-14. The only ratings you need to worry about is the ratings for the DNA clinic them. Where you need to go find out if you pick them a few. That's what you need to worry about. About the ratings. Guy. Here are the facts. For people who only claim say I fight against Mavado and fight against his son, the system sure acts strange. So let me get this right. The system said Mavado son got prison even though he did nothing at all. But then the system just let him go back about 4 years or so afterwards. Even though the same people in the same system now. And the same system protected Mavado when him there on the corner and push badness and was cosplaying being a monster until he got woke up in the other monsters. And then what him do? Him run guard the station for help. Mavado fan guy. Let me tell you something right now. We give you a pass. The second time I see a dog squat down and defecate on grass, we give him a pass because we know that's a dog. That's what dogs do. We don't expect dogs to walk when they want toilet and lift up the seat and use it and flush the toilet and walk out back. Right? And wash him and wipe him bottom. We don't expect dogs to do that. Right? We know that dogs just squat down and defecate anyway. Right? That's how dogs work. So, me give you a pass because I understand. Right? You're a sheep as such man said. We'll get this to your head, guy. Mavado only there because police save him. When Mavado was on the block cosplaying, being a monster, cause him think say cause him boss and him have name and him have money, him can just do what him feel like and him can do it. When the man named rush Mavado, again, don't ask me, ask anybody from Manningsville Road, Cassava, Peace, Right? Big yard. You can stretch it down all at Whitehall. Ask anybody who know. Right? That part of St. Andrew. Ask them. Where did Mavado run go when the man them rush? When the man them rush Mavado, he decimated Usain Bolt's record. This Wally talk about 9.58 over 100 meters is world record. It's quite simply unicorn meat because Mavado did less than that over a longer distance when the man then rush him. And where did he run go to? The Constant Spring Police Station. Mavado is here, right, posting his long captions because the Constant Spring Police Station gave him refuge. He did not run to your yard. He did not run Film Gatling gun and go fight him war himself. Him run go to the Constant Spring Police Station. Officer, please help me. I am scared. Just like any concerned citizen would. That's what he did. But now he's online acting like the system is against him. I know nobody nothing. You know nobody nothing. You don't know what my pressure him because just you want to get the youth and just to get him by the Lamborghini. They protected Mavado. If it wasn't Film Track and Field Spikes and the Constant Spring Police Station, the man them would have go for him and name him food. Because by that point, nobody never business him on a DJ. Then him that foreigner post all kind of things because he knows that he's popular and he can control the narrative. He also knows that just like such man, right, his core base is likely sheep. And nobody will ask questions like then hold on there. Hold on there because even though we know say Sir P bad man you, I have be a Lamborghini. Explain to me how the social inquiry report make it clear say Dantay Brooks was a product of failed parenting. How Dantay Brooks step on corner with bad man? How Dantay Brooks go on apps? How come this and how come that? These are fair questions. How come police want you dead? But when time the man them let go kill you, a police save your life. Why you never just left him make the man then kill you? These are fair questions. Just to recap, sheep guy, who I link me about, yo, you see it cause that's true. That's why you man you talk about or they take with the jury so the youth don't get the jury because they want to sit the youth cause youth in the center. Peter Champagne, Mavado, Dantay Brooks, that whole team chose to get a judge-only trial. This narrative that see at this way it start and then take with the jury, see me I say, and then now the jury will go to boom now and then through them want the judge to sink him because the judge goes to boom and get a link. This is the danger of 15-second sprinters idolizing 13-second sprinters. In reality, they're both slow. Right, 13 seconds is really slow, but it is really fast compared to 15 seconds. They knew this day would come. They knew how they would spin the narrative and they knew how the fans would accept it. That's why I know them talk about judge only and them talk about the this and the that guy. When you have any kind of money and you have any kind of liar, you'll be surprised they can work out in your favor. But as I said, the witness was not C4. And speaking about C4, sometimes people look at me and say, boy, look at you, but why want to C4? Big man for me now. Well, all I can say is C4 alright. C4 have a whole different life now, whole different world him gone, you know. Even me can't get access to him. But this witness is not C4. That's why the last time I talked to him, I said, brother, how you stand your ground against 50 clansmen has to be studied because most people can't stand them ground against one, against two. Because when you're a witness, worse if you come from a certain community and your family still around there, man are gonna start till they say, yo, remember say your sister live here say no. Yo, remember say your brother live here say no. Yo, remember say your granny run there say no. And enough people are gonna start buck shuffle guy and start switch in a court, dog, never mess up with that. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.